Lovo E-Series multinational tractors with stylish and simple hood combination are designed for multiple operations on small farms and individual farms. Motor stable performance. The weight is 1.47 tons, the chassis is stable, and the bearing capacity is evenly distributed. The tractor has stronger power and more fuel-efficient performance. A preheating device is installed to make the startup more stable in winter. Wheelbase is 1,805 mm, and front wheelbase is 1,243 mm. The rear wheelbase is adjustable, and the adjustment range is 1,200 mm to 1,400 mm, which can meet more working requirements. Minimum turning radius no larger than 3 meters. It can fulfill more flexible operation. Adopting the external wet type and turbo pre-filtering air intake filter form, the air intake is smoother and the maintenance is more convenient. Standard cat-type 3-point hitch design is applied. The interface, pull-down rod, and lifting rod are made of high-quality steel and manufactured by strict heat treatment process with good strength, high toughness, and not easy to damage. High working efficient. 8+8 synchronizer shuttle shift. The speed range is from 1.7 km per hour to 30 km per hour. Fast shifting can improve work efficiency. Standard 8.3/20, 13.6/24 big tires. Stronger grip. In addition to ordinary tires, medium lug tires and grass tires are optional to meet the needs of different working conditions. The new Portal-style reinforced front drive axle increases the carrying capacity by 20%. With a central penetrating cylinder, the steering is more flexible and stable, and it can provide up to 354 mm of ground clearance to meet the needs of intertillage. At the same time, the wheel rim adopts a dual structure of dustproof and oil seal, which is more adaptable to muddy water environment. Comfortable driving. The tractor is equipped with a new steering wheel and a flexible driving platform. The handle position layout is reasonable, and the operation space is more convenient. All these designs are suitable for ergonomics. More flexible operation performance can be fulfilled with suspended paddles. The grabber seat equipped on the tractor can be adjusted up and down, front and back, and floating according to the body of the driver and occupant, which improves driving comfort comprehensively. The grabber seat can have a much longer service life. Optional American Practical Power Dashboard. The overall screen is comfortable, clear, long service life, and low maintenance cost. Multifunctional operations design. Different machine modules can be docked according to different tasks. Equipped with front-loading device, it has the perfect match between the tractor and the front-loading device. The strength and excellent performance can meet all your needs, used for shoveling and short-distance transportation of loose materials such as soil, sand, and garbage. Rear excavating device. It can be used for land excavation and material unloading. Equipped with bulldozer. It is widely used in land leveling, debris removal, and other operations. It can also be used in conjunction with rear excavation. Farmland operation. Attached rotary tiller, disc plow. The powerful rotary tiller machines improve efficiency and convenience and bring the trouble-free operation to users. Attached planter. It can realize the multi-crop sowing and multi-function operation, which improves the working efficiency. Attached trailer for transportation. The strong traction can help you increase work efficiency a lot. Attached sprayer, used for spraying operations in orchards, greenhouses, etc. E-Series tractor is a smart compact tractor with low maintenance cost and high productivity. It is the best solution to meet small-scale and amateur agricultural working requirements.